Charming Venus, moving beyond pain. We're here with some helpful hints and tips to help you continue on your journey of movement, self-discovery, and pain education. Today, we're going to be making hot packs, moist hot packs.
Moist! It's my favorite word.
And I'm here with my charming daughter, Erin. So, while I have no need of hot packs anymore, Erin does. She is an athletic swimmer.
Haha.
And often will come home complaining of aches and pains.
It's always in the legs, man. Or the shoulders.
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 So we're going to make a rice moist hot pack.
Moist.
That she can drape on the parts that bother.
Bother. Also good for cramps.
Very, very true. What we're going to do is we're just going to take some plain old white rice.
Is that white rice? That's not white rice. It's brown rice.
Can you just go with the show?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So we're going to take some plain old white rice, and Erin has picked out some sweet orange essential oil that we're going to drip all over the rice. Can you do that for me?
Oh, yeah, okay.
This is 2 pounds of rice for just one of the little fuzzy socks. You can use this, you can use more rice and do a bigger pack. That's really up to you, but for the point of our video today, we're just going to take about 2 pounds of rice and our fun fuzzy sock. This is a very simple project. We have made these in the past as Christmas gifts for our family, because who can't use a hot pack every now and again? So we picked a variety of different winter scents, some peppermint, some orange, some lavender, and shared these with our family. And so I think everybody really liked those, don't you?
Yeah, I don't know where ours went, but we had a couple extra.
We did have a couple extra.
So it's good that we're making them because I like them.
So one thing to remember is you're gonna put a cup of water in the microwave with your sock.
Or else they can catch on fire and that's not very good.
Thank you for the safety warning.
Yes.
But we don't want to get the rice wet. We don't want to cook it. We just want to make it hot. So fill up a cup, stick it in your microwave, put the sock in, and you're going to warm that for about a minute. They do get hot, so grab the ends and you're going to shake your rice out to evenly distribute that heat.
You can use whatever scent you want. Lavender is usually the best for calming. I just decided I wanted orange because it smells good. So I just took the top layer, did some drops on it, mixed it around, did some more. That way there's quite a few saturated in here.
And I'm sorry that we don't have smell-o-vision, but the kitchen smells like a citrus field right now.
It smells like Soarin' at Disney. Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh, it does!
I love that place.
Please, watch our videos for any Disney references.
They will be everywhere. Like, one of them we made...
A glitter bottle that looked like Elsa.
Yours looks like Elsa. Mine looks like Ariel.
All right, Miss Erin, do you think we're mixed up nice and good there?
Yep.
Okay, then we're just going to take a small cup and stick it in the sock, because I'm fairly certain if I tried to pour this bowl in,
It would go everywhere.
we'd end up with rice everywhere.
Shake it down. We could add all this.
Yes. So you can decide how compact you want your sock to feel.
We're just using a shot glass. You can use whatever you want to, actually, isn't this a double shot? This is really big. What?
There's a reason I just said cup.
We're done? Okay.
So we're going to shake it down. Erin's going to add another couple drops of essential oil. And we are just going to tie it up with a plain old hair tie.
If your socks are longer, you can just tie them in a knot, but like, if you had really long ones like this, these are nice Harry Potter ones, and you could just fill it up and free Dobby.
Very nice. Let's give it a shot.
It's a little hug.
All right, so there is how to make your very own hot pack. We hope that you have enjoyed being with us today, and we'll see you next time.
Bye! I just had a genius idea, so we're gonna untie this and add some lavender sprigs in there, and it's gonna be orange and lavender, because that smells really yummy.